A very good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed about Mahatma Gandhi and the national movement, his early life, and his important struggles which he succeeded in the beginning of the national movement, and his methods and his directions, as well as definition of non-cooperation movement and causes which led to the non-cooperation movement, that is Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy and Khilafat movement, and objectives of non-cooperation movement we have discussed. In this class we will move on with the program of non-cooperation movement, how the non-cooperation movement led. Then what was the cause for the suspension of non-cooperation movement, and finally the impacts of non-cooperation movement we will discuss. As we have discussed, what is the definition of non-cooperation? It is a way of protesting in which one does not cooperate with the evildoer. Here, who is evildoer here? The British government. With the evildoer, we don't want to cooperate. In this way, we are protesting against the government. So, with the following programs, we protested against the British government, as well as we led the non-cooperation movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. What were the programs? Boycott programs, as well as mainly boycott programs and Swadeshi programs. Very important as well as easy concept. Then boycott of government schools, colleges and courts, boycott of foreign goods, boycott of elections to be held for the councils as suggested by the reforms of 1919. In the Montague-Chelmsford reforms, they have told that they will conduct separate elections for the councils. So these also they wanted to boycott. Then resignation from the nominated seats in local bodies. Next, surrender of titles and honorary offices, refusal to attend government functions. In this way, they have boycotted and they protested against the evildoer, that was the British government. Next, Swadeshi programs. Let us see the Swadeshi programs. Popularization of Swadeshi and Khadi by reviving hand spinning and hand weaving, establishment of national schools and colleges and private arbitration courts known as panchayats as all over India, development of unity between Hindus and Muslims, removal of untouchability and other measures for Harijan welfare and emancipation and upliftment of women. These are all Swadeshi programs, easy as well as very important. The programs of non-cooperation movement, boycott programs and Swadeshi programs. Next, other activities during the non-cooperation movement which took part as a part of non-cooperation movement. Lawyers such as Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, Sri Rajagopalachari, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and many others gave up their legal practice. Lawyers gave up their legal practice. Students left schools and colleges. The Congress boycotted the elections to the legislatures by not putting up candidates for the first elections to the councils. Charkas were manufactured for the people to spin cloth. Gandhiji himself started spinning. Then the Jamia Millia Islamia was established as a national university. The Bihar Vidyapeeth, Kashi Vidyapeeth and Gujarat Vidyapeeth were the other national universities that were established with teachers like Acharya Narendra Dev, Dr. Zakir Hussain and Lala Lajpat Rai. Rabindranath Tagore and many other distinguished citizens of India announced their titles and awards. Gandhiji returned the medals that were awarded for him for his work in South Africa. People contributed generously to finance the movement. Shops selling foreign goods and liquor were picketed. Foreign cloth was burnt in marketplaces. In Kheda, Gujarat, many peasants organized non-violent campaigns against the high land revenue. In many forest villages, peasants proclaimed Swaraj and believed that Gandhi Raj was about to be established. In Malabar, the Mopla rebelled against the authorities. This rebellion assumed a communal character, which they killed many Hindus. The unfortunate incident gave a severe blow to the Hindu-Muslim unity. Unfortunately, only this event gave a severe blow to the Hindu-Muslim unity. Other than that, all the other activities which took part as a part of non-cooperation movement led very unitedly But only unfortunately this event at Malabar, the Moplars rebelled against the authorities. This rebellion assumed a communal character which when they killed many Hindus. Only this is the one of the small black mark in our in this movement, non-cooperation movement. Then the Prince of Wales came to India in 1921. The people boycotted his visit at Mumbai, observed a hartal and arranged a meeting on the beach. The mob turned unruly and riots followed. The police opened fire. This turmoil of the 3 days killed 59 people. Anyhow, these are the other activities which took part as the non-cooperation movement, as a part of non-cooperation movement, boycott movements, Swadeshi programs, boycott programs and other activities. Please do learn any four if you learn. Sometimes question can be asked only which made a small black mark in the history of non-cooperation movement means the Mopla rebellions who rebelled against the authorities, which became as a communal character and killed many Hindus. My dear students, as a result of these boycott programs, Swadeshi programs, other activities of the non-cooperation movement, you can imagine that what would be the reaction of the British government. It was going in a very rapid, the movement was moving in a rapid way as well as in a peaceful way. They were doing the non-cooperation movement. But the government took severe measures to suppress the movement. Under Gandhiji's inspiration, prison lost its terror and became a place of pilgrimage. Very interestingly, people started to think that going to prison is just like going to pilgrimage. Right? All important leaders except Gandhiji were arrested and sent to jail. Processions and public meetings were banned. The Khilafat and the Congress volunteer organizations were declared illegal. These two organizations were declared as illegal by the British government. Unfortunately, the whole movement was abruptly called off on February 12, 1922. So, it was called off. It withdrew by Mahatma Gandhi on February 12, 1922 with a sad incident which took place in Chauri Chaura. What was the incident which made it to suspend this non-cooperation movement? Let us see. Suspension of the non-cooperation movement is very important, very important concept. Chauri Chaura, the tragedy at Chauri Chaura, a village in Gorakhpur district in Uttar Pradesh, occurred on February 5th, 1922. A procession of about 3,000 peasants marched to the police station to protest against a police officer who had beaten some volunteers picketing a liquor shop. Of course, as I have mentioned, the non-cooperation was going on in a very peaceful manner. Whatever they were doing activities, they were doing in a peaceful way without disturbing the social life and other activities. When during the program of this non-cooperation movement, some volunteers picketing a liquor shop, one of the British police officer had beaten the volunteers. So to protest against this incident, 3,000 peasants marched towards the police station. The police fired at the peasants, 3,000 peasants. This infuriated the demonstrators and then set nearby police station on fire, killing 22 policemen who were inside the police station. Immediately, as soon as the police fired on the peasants, they got aggression and they fired on the police station, nearby police station in Chauri Chaura, and 22 policemen who were the Britishers were killed. There were a few violent incidents in other parts of the country also. Gandhiji, a believer in ahimsa or non-violence, was greatly shocked at these incidents and he withdrew the non-cooperation movement on February 12, 1922. He called off the non-cooperation movement. Very important concept, my dear. Please do learn for the examination purpose. Sometimes, of course, for the ICSE examination purpose, they won't specifically ask the dates and years and as well as months, but if you are attending any competitive exam, it will be helpful for you. When was the non-cooperation movement called off? Or else, when did the non-cooperation movement withdraw by Mahatma Gandhi? February 12th, 1922. Very important historical date in Indian freedom struggle. Next, the action of Gandhiji of suspending the agitation was severely criticized by leaders like Motilal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose called it as a national calamity. Anyhow, Gandhiji suspended the law-breaking part of the movement and asked congressmen to pay attention to the constructive programs. Okay, now time being, we will stop this non-cooperation movement, which is also known as law-breaking movement. We will stop because since some of the non-violence violence occurred in some of the places, so we will stop this. We will concentrate on our constructive programs. Very important concept. What were the constructive programs which were suggested by Mahatma Gandhi to concentrate? Example, removal of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, and the popularization of Swadeshi and Khadi. Gandhiji was arrested for propagating sedition on March 10th, 1922. He was sentenced to the 6 years imprisonment. Gandhiji was released after 2 years because of his ill health. Anyhow, this was the constructive programs also. You please do make as one of the important question. Can be asked 2 more question. What were the constructive programs were suggested after the suspension of non-cooperation movement? He asked to concentrate removal of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, and popularization of Swadeshi and Khadi.